Before buying car curtains, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many products look similar, but the real difference lies in their material and ease of use. Let's uncover the top options that truly keep your space cool and private.
Product number 1, EcoNour Car Side Window Sunshade. The EcoNour Car Side Window Sunshade immediately caught my attention with its promise of UV and sun glare protection, all for just $19.99. If you want a reliable way to keep your kids safe from harsh sunlight, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These shades block harmful UV rays, which is crucial for protecting your little ones during long drives. The non-toxic PVC material is lightweight yet durable, ensuring maximum coverage while you can still see the road. Plus, with over 6,000 units sold just in the past month, it's clearly meeting a real need. Now, some people complained about the suction cups not holding as well as expected. Here's the thing though, as long as you properly clean the window surface before attaching, it generally holds up well. If you're frequently taking them on and off, it might be a hassle, but for most parents, the convenience they provide is a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you have kids or regularly transport little ones and want to ensure their comfort. Skip this one if you need something more permanent or if your car windows have a non-smooth surface that might affect suction. Now, if you're worried about installation challenges, the next product could be an even better fit for you.
Product number 2, XCBYT Car Window Shades. We have the XCBYT Car Window Shades, priced at $23.99. This 4-pack set promises to cover all your side windows at once. If privacy during travels is your main concern, this one's worth your attention. These curtains are made from high-quality polyester and block 99% of harmful UV rays, making it a great choice for those sunny road trips. The magnetic attachment is a standout feature. It makes installation a breeze. Just ensure your window frames are magnetic friendly, as they need to stick properly. The fact that it includes a universal fit design means it can accommodate various vehicle types, which is a massive plus. However, some users pointed out that the magnetic strips can weaken over time, especially in extreme heat. But honestly, this is pretty common with magnetic products. If you're careful and check the compatibility beforehand, it shouldn't be a deal breaker for most. This is perfect for you if you enjoy road trips and need a quick setup for privacy during breastfeeding or napping. Skip this if your vehicle windows aren't compatible with magnetic attachments. Overall, it's a solid value for the protection it offers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for luxury and privacy combined.
Product number 3, Zatudo Suede Car Window Shades. The Zatudo Suede Car Window Shades come in at $26.99 and instantly caught my eye with their luxurious suede finish. If you want an upgrade in both style and functionality, this is definitely worth considering. These shades not only block out 99% of UV rays, but also offer remarkable heat insulation. So during those hot days, your car stays cooler, which is a huge comfort during summer drives. The magnetic installation is quick and easy, and they're designed for long-term durability with high-quality stitching. Customers are raving about their ability to create a private sanctuary for kids or during car camping trips. That said, some folks have mentioned they found it a bit tricky to install on certain window shapes. It's not a huge issue if you take your time, but if you're in a rush, it might frustrate you. Still, the quality and look are genuinely impressive. This is perfect for you if you want a sleek and stylish option that combines privacy with functionality. Skip this if you're looking for something that's super easy to throw on and off regularly. For the price, you're getting a lot of quality. Now, if you're looking for something that provides a bit more coverage for family trips, the next product might be right up your alley.
Product number 4, QZYXIL Car Curtains, available for $19.89. This 4-piece set promises ultimate privacy while on the road. If you're planning a long trip or camping out in your car, this one might be your best bet. These curtains are designed to block 99% of UV rays, providing not just privacy, but also protecting your car's interior. The magnetic attachment is super strong, ensuring they stay in place even when you're driving at higher speeds. Plus, they're made from high-quality materials that are not just durable, but also stylish. However, some users have reported that they don't fit perfectly on all window sizes. So if you have a unique vehicle, you might want to double-check your dimensions before purchasing. But for most standard car windows, they work like a charm and provide great coverage. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast who needs reliable curtains for camping or simply wants to keep prying eyes away. Skip this if you have non-metallic window frames or if you need something more permanent. For the price, it's a solid investment for privacy. Now, if you want something a bit more comprehensive for family travel, the final product on our list could be just what you need.
Product number 5, Pamise set of 3 car window shades. We have the Pamise set of 3 car window shades, priced at $25.99. This one includes a rear seat divider and 2 side window covers, which is pretty unique for car curtains. If you want a full covered solution, this is definitely worth a look. The memory fabric used here blocks up to 95% of sunlight, helping to keep your backseat cooler and providing a private space for kids or even for napping adults. The flexibility of the rear divider also means you can adjust it based on your needs. Plus, it's machine washable, so you can keep it looking fresh. However, some customers mentioned that the size may not fit all vehicles perfectly, especially larger SUVs. That said, if you have a standard sedan or SUV, it should work well. The trade-off is definitely worth it for the added versatility and comfort. This is perfect for you if you travel with family and want a comprehensive privacy solution. Skip this if you have an oversized vehicle that might not accommodate the dimensions. For the price, it offers excellent value and functionality for families. Now, let's wrap it up.
To sum it all up, we've covered some fantastic options for car curtains. The EcoNour shades are great for simple UV protection, while the XCBYT shades offer an easy magnetic installation. The Zatudo shades bring a touch of luxury, and the QZYXIL curtains give you that ultimate privacy for outdoor adventures. Lastly, the Pamise set is perfect for family travel. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your specific needs and enjoy a more comfortable ride.